In the heart of the enchanting Rainbow Valley, where colors danced across the sky like joyous brushstrokes, Ruby the rainbow train chugged along her usual route. Ruby was no ordinary train, she shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow, her personality as vibrant as her hues. Her whistle was a melody to the valley's harmonious landscape. But one morning, Ruby noticed something terribly wrong. The usually vivid hills and trees seemed pale, the sky a mere shadow of its former self. Ruby's heart sank as she realized the colors were fading. Determined to restore the valley's beauty, Ruby set off on a mission to find the missing colors. Her first stop was at the Sunbeam station, where she met Sunny, the valley's sunbeam messenger. The colors were whisked away last night by a mischievous storm cloud, Sunny explained. You'll need to gather them before they disperse forever. With renewed determination, Ruby puffed along, the wind in her wheels pushing her forward. Her journey led her to the Forest of Echoes, where she encountered Willow, the wise old elf perched on a fading oak tree. With feathers speckled with the remnants of color, Willow advised, seek the color crystals at the peak of Prism Mountain. They hold the secret to restoring the hues. Ruby thanked Willow and trudged on, her tracks clinking with determination. As she ascended Prism Mountain, clouds gathered ominously, and the mischievous storm cloud appeared. You'll never catch my streaks of lightning, it taunted. Thinking quickly, Ruby let out a powerful whistle, the sound echoing through the valley. The resonating notes caught the storm cloud off guard, causing it to pull back in surprise and drop several color crystals. Ruby collected the crystals and with a heartfelt whistle, invited the colors to return to their rightful place.